Hey there, I am back, but only sort of. It's been a few weeks since I've had a chance to work on the Blazer. The issue is that I am working on another car that has a couple problems. The first was it was in an accident a few weeks ago, and as you can see, um, I've had to replace the front fenders and the grill, and I'm still looking for a bumper. If you have a bumper for a Chevy 2000 Suburban, it's chrome, and I think it's the light pewter metallic molding on the top. I'd love to hear about it because those are hard to find right now. But I think I got the body work put back together. The other issue is that this Suburban has almost 300,000 miles on the original motor, and so it's 22 years old. It's been burning oil, it's been burning coolant, and it started to make a lifter ticking noise pretty loud when it starts up in the morning. So it's about time to rebuild that engine. And when I took it to a shop just to get a quote to see what it would cost, it was over $7,000. And so that is twice as what I paid for the Suburban 4 years ago or 5 years ago. So that wasn't happening. And so my other option, since I like fixing stuff, would be to fix it myself. And so you can see here I have a motor hanging off my cherry picker that I've used for the Blazer, but I have never built or rebuilt an LS motor. I've always done, kind of an old Chevy blocks. Got some neighbor kids screaming in the background. But so that's what's going to happen over the next, hopefully over the next couple weeks or so. It's probably going to be a month. But if I plan for a couple weeks, it'll probably be a month, and that's tolerable. So if you want to follow along, I may try and make a video of it. I don't think I'd make a video of the entire thing or the entire rebuilding process, just because it's so kind of boring and drawn out and slow. It's really just cleaning it up and replacing parts inside that are worn out. And so I'll take a few pictures and videos of, once I get it cleaned up, what it looks like in the inside, maybe what was causing that lifter to tick, and replace those parts, and maybe do a video or two of that, and then getting it back in the Suburban. So I guess the other issue is I'll have to get it painted, because I can't have blue and gold on the same vehicle. That just looks crazy. That's only for my Blazer that has 5 different colors. So this one needs to be back so the rest of the family can drive in it without being embarrassed. So that's what's going on. It was really hard. It took all weekend to get this motor out. It was not fun, and it's hot, of course. It's 90 degrees this weekend. I picked the wrong weekend, and it was supposed to thunderstorm, but I'm happy it has not thunderstormed yet. So I'm going to get that motor in the garage onto a stand, and then we'll start disassembling it. And I'm hoping my kids are actually going to help me with this, because I think it'd be a good learning opportunity for them. So if there's anything specific you want to see while I'm rebuilding it, leave a note in the comment or something, and maybe I can do that for you. So thanks. Take care. Bye.